Oh, why, hello, everybody. Welcome. Little unprepared. This is story time with Stevie. Um, I didn't have anything planned. Let's see if I can find something up here. Yes. This is a grand story. Story about how money was invented. It all started one day. Ah, the year was 1575. We were in Great Britain. The settlers were not yet to America. They were trying to get recruits, and no one wanted to come. So the king decided to devise a plan. The plan, the plan was that they needed to get the settlers to go there without paying them. The king was a greedy man, and he wanted them to do it for free. They wouldn't do it for free, of course, but he knew he could convince them. So his right-hand man, Leonidas, came up with an idea of paper. They just invented this paper, and they decided to put numbers on the paper, and those numbers would signify chickens. Number one equals one chicken. And now back then, chickens were the main source of currency. The chickens were traded for, like broccoli and, like tires for their wagons. And, the chickens, they worked okay, but they actually were worth something. So the king said, "We'll give you $1 bills each." And now there were quite a few settlers. There was quite a few, about 30,000 of them on that one boat. 30,000 settlers, and he said, "You will each get $1 equals one chicken, and you go over to America, and you see if it's really there, because we still think the world is flat, but you need to check it out, and we'll give you some chicken money, and it's good. When you get back, you can spend it. Not right now. You're not going to need it for a while. When you get back, you spend it." So they took off on this journey with a promise of chickens when they got back for $1. And they went it, and they found this new world, and they actually made it, and the world was not flat. Then they came back, and the king's like, "Oh no, they weren't supposed to make it." So they where am I? Where am I? The chicken, $1, $1 for McDonald's chicken. No, that's not right. That's not a story. Dollar menu, McDonald's. No, no. So they, the people got back, and the king's like, he was mad because now he's got to give them the chickens. So he had to, he gave away the sickest chickens he could find because, he wanted to get rid of the ones he didn't like. But the people, actually, the word got around, and they didn't want the sick chickens, but the other people heard about these chicken money, and oh, 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 the bronchitis is coming back. And they heard about the chicken money, so they decided they want chicken money. So they started trading cows and doorknobs and axes for the chicken money. And so the king's like, this is a great idea. I will make more chicken money, and I can get people to do things for me, and it doesn't cost me a cent. So that's how they made money. Ironically, though, Peter was founded the same year because, they were the ones that actually came up with the idea of making it not chicken money and actually making it a fake value, cash, as they say, which has no value unless you give it value. So, Peter, they didn't like giving away chickens, so they founded, the organization so you can give them cash to take care of the animals that they like, for free. They don't give you anything, and you feel good about yourself. So I hope you learned something from Story Time with Stevie. You can, that's all I have for today. You can, bye. You can subscribe, or, I could tell you another story. Let's see if oh, no, no, we can't tell that story. I'm gonna figure out another story, and maybe we come back. Okay, bye, subscribe.